What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. I've done a lot of stuff with Pitaka just recently and they were kind enough to send over some more products. We've got a phone case here that's been updated, all new stuff that we need to check out, but that will be coming in a separate video. It is for the 14 Pro Max. So make sure you stay tuned, get subscribed for that one. We've been using Pitaka products for a while, as you can see, with the X23 Ultra case. I did have the Mag Easy 3 case on the 14 Pro Max, but we'll talk more about that in this video with the case. This one right here is for the Apple Watch Ultra. So it is the carbon fibre watch band Rhapsody, as you can see with that design. They're also doing wallpapers too, so I'll leave a link down below to where you can pick this up for yourself, and those Apple Watch wallpapers. A lot of people want to know where I got my Mickey Mouse watch face. I will also leave that app linked in the description down below, but unfortunately you'll have to find the Mickey face for yourself, as it is quite hard to find, but I will leave the link for the app down below. Let's have a look at the Pitaka Rhapsody watch band. So, nice box, alternative tech life, Pitaka carbon fibre watch band Rhapsody, unique and fancy exotic weaving pattern mixed with black fibres, Aramid and carbon fibres, two durable aerospace grade materials combined, lightweight and comfortable, weighing about 31 grams, skin friendly texture, magnetic clasp with security lock. So let's just go ahead, let's get the trusty unboxing knife and let's make a slice right there. So there we go, let's take it out. Nothing else in that side. So in this one, quick guide and your watch link tool to remove stuff. It's got Pitaka branding on the top of it and it looks a bit like a SIM ejection tool, but that's going to be for getting your links out so you can get a nice fit on your watch. There is the Rhapsody band, but we'll take a look at that in a sec. Let me put that to one side. So you get an extra link in the box and also extra straps for the top on each side, so that's a nice touch as well from Pitaka. You know, really looking after you with that. Let me take off this watch band right here, we'll measure it up. Okay, so it actually says Pitaka in the middle on the clasp to where you're going to open it out. There you go. And just clips in like so. So let's go ahead and get this fitted to the watch. And there we go. So there is the watch band. Let's have a little try on. Just clips in. So as you can see, there's quite a few pieces that I'm going to have to take off as it just dangles a bit too much. We'll sort that out in a second. I'll take them out and I'll make it look like it should be on there. But that is the Rhapsody carbon fibre watch band, the Aramid fibre. Really lightweight, feels really nice on the wrist. So let me go ahead and unclip this like so, and then let's start taking out some link. So there we go, all fully fitted. Pitaka branding on the bottom on the clasp right there, as you can see, the new Rhapsody watch strap from Pitaka. Looks great on the wrist, really does. Looks absolutely superb on wrist, as you can see. Plus, with Pitaka's new Chroma carbon, they're now able to add any colour at all to carbon fibre. So there's going to be plenty more watch straps coming in the future and plenty more cases. So make sure you stay tuned for those. But I think this looks absolutely fantastic. As you can see from the bits that are now left, there's a few little pins and stuff. They're the hardest things to get out. So I'm not going to show you how to get them out. What I'm going to do is, if you do buy one of these, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video to someone else's video that I watched to be able to do this. So be sure to head over and check that video out if you do end up buying one. I think it feels great on the wrist. I'll be wearing it to a couple of events that I'm going to. One is Pitaka's press event, which is coming up in the next few days. Plan on bringing you quite a few videos from that event. There's going to be a vlog, there's going to be a what's in my bag, and also something special from Spigen. So make sure you stay tuned for those videos. But I think this looks absolutely great. It's definitely changed the Apple Watch Ultra. I just need the carbon surround now to go around the Apple Watch and I'm fully set. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of the Rhapsody watch band in the comment section down below. You can just get the standard carbon fibre, but there'll be links to Pitaka's website in the description to where you can get yours. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on. I'll see you all soon. Take care guys.